Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add 3D rotation to text in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we go to a blank page, then go to the tool section and select the frame text tool. Then draw a text frame to this page. Now I am write some text to this text frame. Then go to the tool section, select the move tool and go to the window menu and enable the layer section. We can see here already enable this. Then we go to the layer option and select the layer effect option and choose the 3D option and check mark on the 3D. Then select the soft edge or the radius or another thing. Now we want to rotate this text 3D. Close this window and rotate the text. Now we can see we make 3D rotation to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.